Ever since Facebook has rebranded itself as Meta, the metaverse coins in the cryptocurrency universe has taken a great jump. Today, the metaverse market cap is worth $37 billion, and there has been a rise of more than 8% in the last 24 hours. There are many coins in the metaverse category which have given more than 10x returns in the last 1 month in itself. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at one of the tokens that we believe is just starting off its rally and could give investors more than 10x returns in the coming 30 days. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about the project.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello everyone, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you would like to discuss anything about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. Now, if you want to become a private investor and invest with us in early stage projects, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. We have a premium group for that, and you can become a part of that group by just paying a small fee. So without further delay, let's jump on to today's project. So the project that we are going to cover today is called as Meta Hero. The Meta Hero is a kind of a project in the metaverse that actually uses the 3D scanning technology and converts real world people and objects into the metaverse. They have partnered with Wolf Digital World, one of the largest players in the 3D world technology, and uses a big gigantic scanner to scan people and objects. What are the main mission of Meta Hero? Meta Hero has partnered with WDW, that is Wolf Digital World, to bring on the next 10 million new users to cryptocurrencies, right? They are scanning everything under the sun, from gaming, fashion, medicine, NFTs, everything that is there in the real world. They are trying to bring it to the metaverse. What is the benefit of it? You can create your own 3D avatar, scan and create 3D NFTs, and also use the hero token to transact among the Meta Hero universe. So the hero is the ticker for the Meta Hero token. We will come to the tokenomics at the later part of this video. Now let's understand how Meta Hero tries to transform this real world into the metaverse. Right? They are trying to create the largest database of scanned objects and people. The Meta Hero revolution will transport the world into the future. That is the metaverse. Investors, users, and beneficiaries will all have the ability to be scanned and have full control of their scanned property. Now, what could these property be used for? Now, you can use yourself as a character or as an avatar for playing in the game. You can license your property to outside developers and create revenue streams for yourself, as well as create NFTs to auction, trade, or sell directly to other investors. If we take a quick look on the roadmap, then we'll be able to see that in the Q1 of 2021, Meta Hero was able to secure a seed round funding of $10 million from Robert Greene. Okay, that was a big amount. Also, they tested the 3D scanning technology, validated the business model, and also they formed the core team. Q2 was initially about verifying the Metascanner locations, development of the Hero app, and also the website's first version was made, as well as private pre-sales were made. Right, so we invest in the private pre-sale group. So if you are interested to invest in projects like Meta Hero or other projects which are coming up, you can reach out to us on Telegram. My Telegram is in the pinned comments. Now, after Q2, in the Q3, they did a CertiK audit, which is important from the security perspective. They also got their listings on the centralized exchanges. The Hero Android app was released, as well as the iOS app was released, and they also started building the version 3 of the Metascanner as well. The Q4, which is the current quarter, so far they have been able to get a tier 1 listing, as well as this version 2 of the website has been developed. Now currently they are working on developing a game studio and several other partnerships. They're also working to launch an NFT marketplace. They're also talking to several artists and influencers from a partnership point of view, and they're also looking to onboard more strategic investors. Apart from this, they are also talking to other great exchanges. So they are already on KuCoin, so they are talking to other exchanges as well wherein they could get listed. Also, they will also start working on the version 2 of the Meta Hero mobile app as well. In the Q1 of 2022, they will launch the Meta Hero 3D franchise. Also, they'll expand the team. They will participate in many other gaming conferences and expositions. There is going to be a partnership with Hero and Visa. Also, what they are going to do is they are going to lay down the roadmap for 2022 as well as publish a 10-year plan to scale to 100 million users. That is their goal that they want to achieve in the next 10 years. Also, they will look to implement a fiat to Hero on-ramp solution as well. Alright, so this is the roadmap that they have. Now, if you have to talk about some of the partners, then they have partnered with Blocktopia. As we know, Blocktopia is a virtual skyscraper with stores, offices, and an auditorium where people will come to interact on a social and professional level. Now, Meta Hero has partnered on Blocktopia and taken their office on the 6th floor. Here they will offer virtual merchandise, gadgets, and also even a place to grab a drink in the metaverse. This is one of the major partnerships that they have done. Apart from this, there were news that Ferrari and a few other organizations have already partnered with Meta Hero and have scanned their physical cars and objects to be transformed into the metaverse. Now, if I take a quick look on the token information, then Hero is the token for the Meta Hero universe. Currently, the market cap of Meta Hero is at about $1.1 billion, and currently the price is at about 21 cents with an increase of 39% in the last 24 hours and with an amazing increase of more than 80% in the last 7 days itself. If I would talk about the last 30 days, it has virtually doubled its valuation. Now let's take a quick look on the charts of the Hero token. So the chart of the Hero token is looking extremely bullish, right? If we do a quick measurement of the last 10 days, then from 18th November, from the lows of about 8 cents, it has increased to about 22 cents, and that is an increase of more than 170% in just about 10 days of time. So that is an incredible growth. Do I feel that there is still room for it? Absolutely, there are still rooms for it, but we need to check the key levels of support and resistances. For that, what we're going to do is we're going to plot the Fibonacci retracement. On the Fibonacci, what we can see is that we had easily gone over the 161.8 and the 261.8, and we got a resistance at the 361.8 Fibonacci level. Now what we are doing as I'm recording this video is that we are coming down and testing the 261.8 as a support. Now if we treat this as a support, if we are able to treat this as a support and the body of a candle of this particular candle closes above this 261.8, that is the 21 cents mark, then we can see further moves to the upside as well. If I quickly take a look on the stochastic RSI, I'll have a good idea about the momentum. The momentum currently is down. That is because of this red candle, but if we get a bounce from here, this will also take off. So what are my price predictions for Hero or the Meta Hero token? I personally believe that Meta Hero has all the potentials to reach at least 50 cents in the next 30 days. That will bring the market cap to about $2 billion. Now if we take a quick look on the top cryptocurrencies in regards to market cap, we can see that with a market cap of about $2.2 billion, Meta Hero can easily reach the top 75 tokens right here. As you can see, that 75th token currently is Chiliz, which has a market cap of $2.5 billion, and I personally feel within the next 30 days Meta Hero has the potential to reach 50 cents at least, and it will reach a market cap of $2.5 billion, and the top 75 position is up for grabs for Meta Hero. I strongly believe that it has the potential to go to the top 50 and ultimately to the top 20 tokens as well. Mind you, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. Please do your own research before investing. So that's pretty much it about MetaHero. So do let me know if you hold any MetaHero tokens by commenting below. Just comment hero and I would know that you are holding the hero tokens. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family, because I believe MetaHero has a great potential to give amazing returns to investors. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.